and stars
No.
in the solar system.
There we go. Okay, so let's have a look at this picture. If we can move that a bit, and then there we go. So let's have a look at this picture. Okay, so have a look at it. What do you see in this picture? What do you see? Okay, when you look at it, okay, when you look at it, what do you see?
Solar system.
Okay, so yeah, this is the solar system. Well, it's part of the solar system. Okay, great. Part of it.
Planet.
Yeah, the solar system. This is a part of the solar system. Okay, it's not all of it. Okay, Pan, what do you see?
Planet.
Planet. Planet. Is there only one? How many? How many planets, Pan? Okay.
7.
Is there 7? Let's have a look. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8.
7, 8. Yeah, there's 8 planets. Okay. Pluto would be out here. Okay. You see my cursor here, Pluto would be about here. Okay. You can class that as a planet. It's very tiny. Okay. It's really tiny. It's smaller than Mercury. It's much smaller. Some of the moons that you have on Jupiter. Okay. Jupiter has 67 moons. Now, Pluto is smaller than most of the moons that Jupiter has, okay? But you can class Pluto as a planet if you want. That will be out here. And then beyond Pluto, okay, so we're going further out, what you have is you have a massive ring of what we call an asteroid belt, okay? Where there's many rocks of different sizes. And what they're doing is they're caught in an orbit around the sun, so they go around in a circle, so it's like that. Okay, so we're going to look at what makes the solar system move, okay? What makes it move, because in space, everything moves, yes? Everything moves. There isn't something standing still. You can't see it move. Sometimes you may feel it, sometimes, okay? So for example, if you look at the sky, yes, you look at the clouds in the sky today, if you concentrate enough, you may be able to see the clouds moving. You're standing still, the clouds are moving. So everything moves, but we're going to look at what makes the solar system move. Okay, so Newton, have a look at this here. So this is the response. So Newton, what makes the solar system? Say that again, I can't hear that one.
The Milky Way.
Galaxy, yeah.
Okay. The Milky Way galaxy makes the solar systems move.
There you go. When I say solar systems, well, it does if when there's many more solar systems, okay? But we're talking about our solar system. We're not talking about another one, so we have to say the solar system. Yeah. Okay. Now, and is the solar system moving all the time?
Yes, the sun, the planets, everything is moving.
Yeah, everything is moving, so everything. Great. Why is that?
Because our solar system orbits close to the center of the center of the Milky Way galaxy.
There you go. Okay, so Nathan, what is the reason? Okay, what makes the solar system move? What makes the solar system move? It's our, okay, I'll give you a clue. We are in this, it's huge, okay, and there is a black hole at the center of it. Okay, Pani, you're putting your hand up there. Putting your hand up. What makes our solar system move? What galaxy are we in? What galaxy are we in? Nathan, what does this say? Oh, here, what does this say?
Milky Way galaxy.
Yeah, so the Milky Way galaxy, okay, makes our solar system move. So the Milky Way galaxy is like this. If you follow my finger, it's a spiral. It goes like this, okay? And it keeps doing that. Spirals out. It's a spiral, a circular spiral, and it keeps doing it. So that's what we're in. So we are close to the center of it. So the Milky Way galaxy is what makes our solar system move. Okay. Okay, Jitem, let's go through these so we can get used to familiar with them. So, Jitem, what planet is this? What planet is this? It's Saturn. It's Saturn. It's Saturn. Can you say it's Saturn to me? It's Saturn.
It's Saturn.
Okay, so good. What planet is this one here? Jitem.
Neptune.
Okay, you've got to say it in response to me, because if you just say Neptune or Saturn, right, that could mean anything, okay? It could mean, you have to say it's, okay? You have to say IT, and then with an apostrophe, and then an S. So it's Saturn, it's Neptune, okay? Because these are objects, okay? These are objects, and we have to put it's before the object. Okay. Newton, what is this planet here?
Uranus.
Yeah, it's Uranus. Can you say that to me? It's Uranus.
It's Uranus.
Okay. Newton, extra question for you about Uranus, okay? Do you think this planet has rings around it? Yes, it does. Good answer. So it does have rings. But it doesn't have as many as Saturn, okay? Saturn has many, many rings. Okay, well done, Newton. Nathan, what's this planet here?
The Jupiter.
We don't say the Jupiter, we say it's
Jupiter.
It's Jupiter, okay. Extra question for Nathan, okay? Now, is Jupiter the biggest planet in the solar system? Is it the biggest? Is it the biggest, Nathan?
Yes.
Yes, so yes, it is. It's the biggest. Now,
It's the biggest.
It's the biggest, yeah. Now, Jupiter, okay. Jupiter is made up of many, okay. The most common gases that make up most of the atmosphere on Jupiter are helium and hydrogen, okay. So those two gases, helium and hydrogen, are in Jupiter, in the atmosphere of Jupiter, a lot, okay. I want you to try it. What I say, these are facts, and I want you to try to remember some of them, because I may ask you. The atmosphere in Jupiter, okay, is really thick, okay, so it's dense, we say thick. So instead of being thin, it's thick. I think it's about 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers dense, okay. Now that is a big atmosphere. Okay, great. What is this planet here?
Mars.
It's Mars, yeah. Now, have a look at Mars, great. Have a look. Is it smaller than Venus?
Yes.
Yeah, it's smaller, isn't it? Is it bigger than Mercury?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay, well done with that. Okay. Let's have milk. Milk, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we're looking at the Earth here. Okay, Earth. Now, how many of these do you think you can fit into Jupiter? How many? I'll give you a little clue to see if you can get close to it. So you can fit over 1,000 Earth in Jupiter. How many do you think you can fit in? Is it 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300? Which one, Milk?
1,300.
Okay, so you say to me, I think.
I think.
Yeah, I think.
I think.
Yeah, you must say that before you say it, because this is your opinion. So you can fit about 1,300 Earths in Jupiter. Okay, it's so big. Yeah. Also, something for you to remember: Jupiter. Sometimes it makes the sun move, so it makes the sun wobble like this sometimes because it's so big and strong. Okay. Let's see what we can do. There'll be more questions coming. Okay, so let's have a look at these planets. Okay, so Pan, what is this planet?
Mercury.
Mercury. Milk, what is this planet here?
Venus.
Venus, yeah, good. So let's read these through first and then we'll talk about them and I'll ask you about these, okay? So I want Newton to speak these for me, okay? So let's speak each one.
It has the fastest orbit of all the planets. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It is not the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest. It is not the hottest because it has a thin atmosphere.
Well done, good, okay. Pan, read this one out for me. So have a read these.
Venus is the hottest planet because it has a very
Dense
atmosphere.
Yeah, good.
Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. It is a little bit smaller than the Earth. It has many mountains. The highest is 8 kilometers.
Yeah, so well done. So that's 8 kilometers in height, okay, not in distance. Okay, so the reason why we read those through is because you need to become familiar with the sounds in these, because these are going to be your responses, okay, to the questions that I ask. So they are down here, okay, these are the questions. This is the key information, okay, so Let's have Jitem first. So Jitem, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So Jitem, what is Mercury?
It's the closest planet to the sun.
Okay, so that word is closest. Can you say it? Say it correctly. Closest. Closest. Good. Well done. Okay, so they look similar, don't they?
Yes, but not.
But they're not. They're not.
They're not. Venus is a lot bigger.
Okay, is Venus bigger than the Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Okay, Nathan. Okay, you're going to carry on with this. So, ask Jitem. I always see
a very bright light in the night sky. Is that Venus?
Jitem.
Yes, it's the
Brightest.
brightest object in the night sky.
Okay, Nathan. Next one. Nathan. Yeah, next one, Nathan. Focus.
Mercury is closest
Good.
to the sun, but why isn't
Isn't
it the hottest?
Okay, Jitem.
Mercury has a very
Thin.
thin atmosphere. It doesn't have lot of heat.
Well done. Okay, well done. Okay, let's have Great and Newton. Okay, you ready? Okay, Newton, what do you want to be? Do you want to? These are the responses. Okay. Do you want to respond or do you want to ask questions? Which one? Question or response? Question. Okay, so Newton's going to ask. Great. Okay, here we go. Okay, Newton.
What is Mercury? It's the closest planet to the sun. They look similar, don't they? Yes, but they're not. Venus is a lot bigger. Is Venus bigger than the Earth? No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Good.
I always see a very bright light in the night sky. Is that Venus? Yes, it is. The biggest object,
Brightest
object in the night sky. Mercury is closest to the sun, but why isn't it the hottest? Mercury has a very thin atmosphere. It doesn't have a lot of
heat. Okay, well done. Okay, Pan and Milk next. Okay, so what do you want to do, Pan? Do you want to ask the questions or say response?
Ask the question.
Okay, if you're going for the easiest part, huh? Yeah.
What is Mercury?
It is the closest planet to the sun.
They look similar, don't they?
Yes, but they're not. Venus is a lot bigger.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
I always see a very bright light in the night sky. Is that Venus?
Yes, it is the brightest object in the night sky.
Mercury is closest to the sun, but why? Isn't it the hottest?
Mercury has a very dense atmosphere. It
Doesn't. It doesn't.
have lots of
Well done. Okay. Here's extra question. Okay. I'm going to add an extra question. So this one is why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Okay. Now I'm not going to put the answer down. Okay. You have to try and see it when you're speaking it. Okay. So why is Venus hotter than Mercury? All the information for these responses are here. Okay, so let's practice that one. We'll just practice saying it, and then the response is up here, okay? Now, you could either say, two ways to say this, there's two ways. You could say all of this if you wanted, okay? Or you can say this as a response, okay? Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, remember, this is the long response, this is the shorter one. That's the shorter one. Okay. Okay, let's have Jitem, why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Venus is the brightest
Or why is it
planet
hotter?
in
Okay, we're talking about temperature, not light. We're talking about temperature. Why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
because it has a really
Dense. That word is dense.
dense atmosphere.
Okay, let's have milk ready.
Yes,
Yeah. Why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Mars is the hottest planet because it has a very thin atmosphere.
Okay. Yeah, good. Well done. That was great. Pronunciation was really good, Mel. Nathan, your turn. So why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Because it has a very dense
Good.
atmosphere.
To say this word, okay, Nathan. What you have to do is you have to say this first. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Yeah. Change that.
Atmosphere.
You change the P and a H, okay? Change it to an F. Yeah? And that's how you speak it. So you say atmosphere, okay?
Atmosphere.
Yeah, it's spoken with an F. Okay, well done. Great. You're next. So why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Venus is the hottest planet because it has a very dense atmosphere.
Okay, great. I'll ask you that one again. Why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Remember. Yeah, you
is
just,
the hottest. It is not the hottest because it has a thin.
okay, no, that's not, no, great, not that, okay. What I'm doing is I'm trying to test your memory to remember, okay? Remember the response. So, why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Now,
Because
look carefully, okay? Look carefully before you do it. You can say that, okay? Or you can say this. Two ways. You choose. So why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Okay, great. Because
it has a very dense atmosphere.
well done. Okay. What this is doing is it's trying to make you speak more independently, okay, and think more yourself about stuff. So Pan, why is
Yes.
Venus hotter than Mercury?
Because it has a very dense atmosphere.
Okay, so extra question for Pan. Yeah, Venus has a dense atmosphere. Okay, that means it's thick. What does that do, Pan? What does that do? Have a look down here. What does it do? Yeah, so try and think of your response. I'll just type it out for you to help you a little bit. So I'm asking why it does that. Okay, you could say it traps. It traps.
It traps.
Okay, now you can use
Lots of heat.
yeah. So it traps lots of heat, but where? Is it outside the planet or inside?
Inside.
Inside. So what you do is, what you say is your response. It traps
It
lots of
traps.
heat. Inside or outside?
Outside.
So it traps lots of heat. Let's put the response out. Okay, let's put this fully out. So it traps lots of heat. Lots of heat. Are we saying outside or inside?
Out.
Got the planet, okay? Yeah? We've got light from the sun coming in. Okay. Now, Venus has a thick atmosphere, it's dense, so it's the hottest. Where does the heat go? Does it go outside the planet or inside?
Inside.
So it traps lots of heat inside the planet, okay? All right, so that will be your response, okay? Yeah, so well done, Pan, okay? Putting together a response, that was good, yeah. Okay, so Newton, why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Because it has a very dense atmosphere.
Okay, well done, okay, good. Okay, let's ask Pan, which planet or what planet has the fastest orbit?
Mercury.
Yeah, Mercury, okay. What planet is next to Mercury? What planet is next to Mercury? So you've got the Sun, Mercury, next door neighbor. What planet is next to Mercury? It's the hottest planet in the solar system.
Venus.
Venus, there you go, well done.
Venus.
Venus. Okay, great. Yeah. Okay, great. Is the Earth bigger than Venus?
Yes, it is.
Well done. Okay. Now, what is the brightest? Okay, what is the brightest planet that you can see in the night sky? When you look at the night sky, what is the brightest planet you can see? What is the brightest? The brightest planet is... Starts with V. The brightest planet is Ven. V-E-N.
Venus.
The brightest planet is Venus. Okay, so the brightest planet is Venus, okay. All right, well, yeah, so let's go down to this now. We've got, let's practice this. I want you to actually ask each other this, okay? So Jitem and Nathan, I want you to, Jitem is going to ask Nathan, pick 3 questions, okay, Jitem? 3, pick 3 to ask Nathan.
What is the
What is,
Mercury?
It's the closest planet to the sun.
They look similar. Don't they?
Yes, but they're not. Venus is a lot bigger.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
okay, well done, 3 questions, okay. We'll not have Nathan, let's have Great and Newton next, okay? Yeah. So, Great, you're going to ask Newton 3 questions. So, yeah. Pick 3 questions, Great, to ask Newton.
What is Mercury? Is the closest planet to the sun. Is Venus bigger than the Earth? No, it's smaller than the Earth. I will see a very big
Bright, okay.
bright
Great, bright
in the night sky. Is that Venus? Yes, it's the brightest object in the night sky.
Okay, brilliant, that was great, okay. So, Pan and Milk next. And Milk, you're going to ask Pan, okay, 3 questions.
What is
Say that more clear, Milk.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
I always see a very bright light in the night sky. Is that Venus?
Yes, it's the brightest object in the night sky.
They look similar, don't they?
Yes, but they not. Venus is a lot bigger.
Okay, well done, good. That was good. Okay, so let's have we'll start from here. So we're going to focus on these ones here. Okay, next. All right, Newton. So we're going to have Newton and Great. Yeah. Great. Ask Newton. Okay. Pick. Let's have. Pick 2 questions to ask him. But Newton, okay, for this one here, you have to try and think. Try and remember what we were looking
Why?
at. Okay, great. Pick 2 questions.
Why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Okay, Newton, have a think about this one. It's hotter because. It's hotter because. It has.
Because
It's hotter because it has.
the
Have a look again, okay? Let's have a look. Yeah.
because it has a very thin atmosphere.
Okay. Great. Ask him the same question.
Why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Because the Venus has
Because
very
these.
thin atmosphere.
Okay. Say that again, more clear for Great to hear. Because. Give you a bit of help. Okay. Here. This is what you were saying, Newton. So because Venus has. What does this say? Okay. Okay. Okay, Newton, you got that? Yeah, so great. Ask him that one again.
Why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Because Venus has a dense atmosphere.
Okay, Newton, close your eyes. Ask him the same question, great.
Why is Venus hotter than Mercury? Because Venus has dense atmosphere.
Well done. You can open your eyes. Well done. Excellent. Okay. Pick another question, great. Pick one more.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth? No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay, ask him, great.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth? No, the Venus has smaller than the Earth.
Oh, say that again, Newton. Have a look. Okay, ask him, great.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth? No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Okay, well done. Okay, let's have Jitem and milk. No, Jitem, we'll have Jitem with Nathan. Okay. Okay, so Jitem, pick 2 questions to ask Nathan.
What did Venus hotter than
Why? So
Mercury?
why
Is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Because Venus has a dense atmosphere.
Okay, close your eyes and do it. Close your eyes. Both of you close your eyes. Okay, Jitem, go.
Why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
Because Venus has a dense atmosphere.
Well done. Okay, pick another question, Jitem.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Okay, close your eyes, you two.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Okay, well done. Let's have Pan and Milk next, okay? So this time, okay, okay, so let's have Milk. I want you to ask Pan, okay? 2 questions. Pick 2 questions from. What is? Say that
The
again.
close it is the closest planet to the sun.
Okay. Yeah, close your eyes.
What is the mostly?
It planet
It's
the closest planet
the
the sun
to the sun.
to the sun.
Okay. Yeah. Open your eyes. Yeah. Okay. Milk, choose this question here.
Is Venus bigger than the Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Okay, close your eyes. It's
Is
Venus.
Venus bigger than
The Earth.
Earth?
No, it's smaller than the Earth.
Okay, well done. That was great. Okay. Yeah, that's good. We will do more. Okay. To do this from memory, and we'll do this with all of the conversation questions and responses. Okay, we've got 2 minutes left. Let's see if we can. This is kind of like a game. Okay, we use clues and we try and find the answers. Okay. Okay, so the first one, number 1. So this object, it's the brightest object in the night sky. So when you see the night sky, it's the brightest object. It looks like a star, but it's not. Second clue, it's the hottest planet. What is it? It's the hottest planet.
It's
Venus.
Venus.
Is
Venus, well done. So
is
that
it
was Venus.
Venus?
Oh, yeah. Okay, it is Venus. So that's the answer there. It is Venus. Okay, next one. This is the closest planet to the sun, but it doesn't have the hottest atmosphere. What is it?
It's Mercury.
Yeah, it is Mercury. Well done. How do you spell Mercury?
M
M.
M E R C
C.
U
U.
R Y.
Okay, good, right. Okay, next one, well done. So this is for Great and Newton. Okay, so you have to figure this one out. This planet is the furthest, that means the farthest, okay, it's far away. Furthest planet from the sun. It is big, but it is smaller than Saturn. It has different blue colors. What is it? So when you look at it, it's got different colors of blue.
Venus.
Now, Venus is not blue. Okay, Newton?
It is Earth.
Is it Earth? Is Earth the furthest away? Is it beyond Jupiter and Saturn? So if you've got Mercury, okay, got Mercury, Venus, Yeah. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn.
Jupiter. No.
Uranus.
It's not Uranus, but it's next to Uranus.
It's Neptune.
It's Neptune. Good. Well done. So that one's Neptune. Okay, this one here, let's go to this one. So this planet is smaller than Venus and the Earth, but it's a little bit bigger than Mercury. What is it? It's next to the Earth. So if you've got Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Jupiter.
it's the fourth planet. It's very small.
Jupiter.
It's not Jupiter. Jupiter's the biggest.
Saturn.
Saturn is one of the biggest planets. Great.
Neptune.
This one is when you look at it, you think of a color, and it's people when they look at it, they think of one color, and it's red.
It's Mars.
Mars, yeah. So it's Mars. Good. Well done. Okay, now this one here, right? This planet has the fastest orbit of all the planets. It is also the smallest. It's the fastest orbit.
It's Mercury.
Yeah, it's Mercury.
Mercury.
Yeah,
Mercury.
it's Mercury. There we go. Good. Right. And the last one, okay, so this planet can make the sun move on its axis. So if you've got the sun, okay, what that means is moving on its axis. It means it can make it wobble. This is a big planet. It's the biggest in the solar system. The biggest.
Jupiter.
It's Jupiter. Well done,
It
Nick.
is Jupiter.
It is Jupiter. Well done. There we go. It is Jupiter. How do you spell Jupiter, Nathan?
J-U-P-I.
Right, okay, this is some homework for you for next week, okay? I want you to try and memorize the spelling of the planets, okay? So what you're going to do next week is you're going to try and spell all the planets without looking at something to help you, okay? So practice spelling the planets from memory. Okay. Yeah, do you understand that, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like a spelling competition that we will have next week. Okay. Okay, lesson is over. Well done. I'll see you all next week. All right. Bye-bye, Nathan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Great. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Nathan.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye, Pan. I'll do that to you. Bye-bye, Nathan. Bye-bye, Nathan.
Bye-bye.